a bright, blustery day in the village. Puff Pony is taking a snooze in the garden beneath the washing line, enjoying the sunshine and the tickle of the breeze on his nose. But suddenly, snap! The washing line broke. With a big whoosh, Mum Pony's clean sheets flew into the air, like sails on a ship. Puff gasped. "Ooh, no!" he cried. He starts galloping after the runaway sheet. As it floated through the air, "Come back!" he shouted. Puff had galloped so fast, he managed to catch up to the sheets. But these sheets seemed to have a mind of their own and flopped right onto his head. Puff tumbled, rolled, and landed in a squishy, muddy puddle. He trudged back home, dragging the soggy sheet behind him. Mum Pony spotted him and burst into giggles. "I'm so sorry, Mum," Puff sighed. "I went as fast as my hooves would take me. Ooh, Puff, you did a great job chasing down those wild sheets." "Come on," Mum Pony said. "Come and help get this mess inside so I can get it washed again.